your gardener won't tell you. 10 hidden gardening tips. Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to share with you some hidden gems of wisdom that your professional gardeners might keep to themselves. These are the tips and tricks that can truly make a difference in your gardening journey. So, let's dive in. The mysterious eggshells. Ever wondered what to do with those eggshells after making your morning omelet? Well, your gardener might not tell you, but they are the secret to combating pests, like snails and slugs. Just crush them up and sprinkle the shells around your plants. The sharp edges deter these slimy invaders. The coffee ground miracle. Here's another insider tip. Save your used coffee grounds. They make a fantastic fertilizer. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen and can help your plants thrive. Just sprinkle them around your soil or mix them in with compost. It's like a morning pick-me-up for your garden. The power of companion planting. Our gardener know the art of companion planting, and they might not spill the beans. Certain plants, like marigolds, can naturally repel pests and improve the growth of neighboring plants. So, mix and match your veggies and flowers strategically to create a harmonious garden ecosystem. The Epsom salt secret. Ever heard of using Epsom salt in the garden? It's a hidden secret that can work wonders for your tomatoes. Sprinkle a little Epsom salt at the base of your tomato plants and watch them grow larger and produce juicier fruits. Your gardener knows this, but now you do too. The magical benefits of mulching. Now, let's talk mulch. Your gardener knows how valuable mulch can be in conserving moisture, regulating soil temperature, and keeping weeds at bay. So, don't skip this essential step. It's like a cozy blanket for your garden. Sometimes, you don't need store-bought pesticides. Your gardener might have a secret recipe for homemade pest repellent. Mix some water with garlic, chili peppers, and a dash of dish soap. It's a potent and natural way to keep those unwanted bugs away. The art of pruning. Pruning can be intimidating, but it's a skill your gardener excels at. Regularly trimming your plants not only keeps them looking neat but also encourages healthy growth. So, don't be afraid to wield those pruning shears. The healing power of aloe vera. Aloe vera is not just for skincare, it's a secret weapon in the garden too. Your gardener might not mention it, but aloe vera can heal wounds on your plants. Apply the gel to cuts or scrapes, and watch your green friends recover. The evening watering trick. Here's a hidden gem. Water your garden in the evening. Your gardener knows that watering in the morning can lead to wastage due to evaporation. Evening watering ensures your plants have a chance to soak up the moisture overnight. The power of patience. Finally, the most important secret of all, patience. Your gardener understands that gardening is a journey. It takes time for your garden to flourish. So, don't be disheartened if things don't look perfect right away. Be patient and keep learning from your garden. So there you have it, folks. These are the secrets your gardener might not tell you, but now you're in on the horticultural hidden knowledge. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening wisdom. Happy gardening, and may your green thumb flourish.